going on, everybody? So, I was actually going to make this a YouTube video, but I just found out that you can actually save your videos on here when you go live. So, I'm actually going to have my Mukbang live on TikTok. So I'm not going to see everybody's comments until my other phone charges because I'm all the way over there. But today's my cheat day, by the way, because I don't normally eat like this. But on this mukbang today, we have a chicken taco pizza. Let's see. I can see that. We got a chicken taco pizza from Domino's. Everybody has their opinions about Domino's. I like Domino's. I actually love pizza, period, so it don't matter where it comes from as long as it cooked right. And then we have a cheeseburger pizza and some orange feta. But yeah, I don't know what to start with. I'm like so excited. You know, when you like eat clean and eat like healthy throughout the weeks or throughout the week, and then you got that one day to eat what the freak you want. Okay, I'm gonna start with the taco pizza. Let's see what it's hitting for. Y'all gonna take a bite with me? This is the chicken taco one. Want a bite? No. Okay, cool. Not too bad. It's actually good. There we go. There's gonna be a lot of smacking in this video, so you don't want to hear me smack, you know, talk with food in my mouth, you know, just stuff like that. But I want to watch this video right here. But yeah, hold on. I'm not trying to let the flavors marinate on my tongue. I would give this right here, I'm gonna say an 8. I really don't know why I 8 though, because it could be a 9, but nah, I'm gonna give it an 8. Don't be that guy or girl to not eat your crust before you start a new slice of pizza. I have people in my family who do that. They literally, this is done to them, and go to the next slice. You must finish the crust. Must finish the crust. And gotta have the orange soda. I didn't even pour me enough orange soda. What the freak? God, there we go. This is really how you enjoy a cheat day. If I could eat like this every day, I would. But then, yeah. Oh yeah, I meant to show y'all this. I got this little sloth thingy. I gotta find a little back piece to put on my phone, but I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's like a little sloth thing. You don't have a thing for sloths. But yeah. How's everybody's day going? Or night, counting on where you're from. I'm literally just waiting for this other phone to load so I can like see y'all comments and stuff. Cause I can't, from right here where I'm at, I can't see nothing. Alright, so this was the chicken taco one. Now, we're gonna try the cheeseburger one next. I haven't done a mukbang in a while. By the way, if you don't know what a mukbang is, just look up on YouTube. It's like M-U-K bang. Look it up. Some people get like food and just eat it on camera. And people just like to watch that. I mean, this is one dude, I was just watching his mukbang. I have a YouTube channel, by the way. It's not in my bio, but it's like Jordan. No, it's actually Pretty Boy Sloth. If you type that up, it'll pop up. But, yo, dude was eating Wingstop, McDonald's, and Wendy's all in one sitting. Like, I think every cheat day I have, I'm going to go live and I'm going to just eat it because it's going to be like something like this, like something real big. All right, so we're moving on to the cheeseburger one now. All right, I got a slice of that one. So let me give y'all a slice of this one. I think nice too. Okay. All right, let's see what the cheeseburger one is like. It actually tastes like a cheeseburger. I'm only saying that because you ever order something and it don't taste like what you ordered. This actually tastes like a cheeseburger. Damn, this is hella good. My goal is to try to finish these. I don't think I am, but at least get half and half. So that'd be like 3 more over here. I'm about 3 more over here. Yeah. That would have been my bear. Yeah. I don't have no napkins. Free. Cool. Be a typical guy and just be this. So this is what guys do. I seen him do that at a restaurant, literally. He had like his little napkin tucked in and all that. I guess that was for show. But like, he wiped his hands on his shirt. He was just like, I said, what's the point of tucking the napkin into your shirt if you're not going to use the napkin to wipe your mouth or hands? But, you know, I don't judge nobody. It's a judgment-free zone. Judgment-free zone. All right, so I'm going to give this a 9. Why a 9? This was good. And it was good. I gave it an 8, the chicken taco. But it didn't give me that taco taste. This right here is giving me a cheeseburger taste. But I feel like I have a freaking cheeseburger in my hand. And it goes down. It washes down perfectly with soda. Really. Oh yeah, shout out to y'all, man. We hit 6K followers in like a couple months of me having this new TikTok, so y'all are freaking awesome. I wish I never got banned from my old account, but I ain't gonna talk about the past, man. We back here getting all kind of love on IG, I mean TikTok. Yo, it's still on charge, y'all. I have it on the supercharger. Don't ask why I have like multiple phones, but yeah. Alright, so we're back to the chicken taco one. Come on, oh wow. Back to the chicken taco one. Y'all, I'm gonna try to eat this in 2 bites. I'm gonna say 3. Y'all think I can eat this? Y'all think I can eat this in 2 bites? I'm gonna try to eat it in 3 though. This shit ready to pop. Oh shit. Oh, you fucking bird. Oh. 2 bites. That's what. Oh, look. It's loaded. Gotcha. Damn. I literally I did not know that whole thing could fit in my mouth. Pause. But, what's the freak? The Apple symbol just came up, so it's gonna be a while. Have y'all been liking the new videos I've been putting up? I've been trying to be a little bit more creative because I can't dance, so all them freaking dances are hard. Like I was doing one of them, then I almost hurt my ankle. But you know, I can't dance, but like I try though. I be trying. Excuse me. Ooh. Yo, this shit hitting. I'm about to do something that y'all probably never seen done. I'm gonna put that cheeseburger pizza on top of the taco pizza and eat it together. Where have y'all seen that done? My neighbors are probably mad, but fuck you! Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. Oh yeah, if I upload this on YouTube, I probably gotta cut that out. You can't cuss on YouTube, guys. You barely can cuss on TikTok. Alright, I'm about to see if I can log in, y'all. Hold on. Let's see. So I can see y'all comments. Excuse me. Yo. Holy shit. Well, this phone's been on for a while. So, old stuff. Damn, I don't know my username. Freak. Hold up, y'all. Give me a second to log on to it. God damn it. Is it gonna log y'all out? No, I think I've done this before where I'm on this TikTok and that TikTok. Hopefully it don't log this out. It might though. I don't think so though. I've done this multiple times. Or if I log on to the other Pretty Boy Soft one. To continue, must up. I gotta freaking update this app. This is so whack. I have to update the app, y'all, on here for me to even get a code sent to her. So hold on, let me let this app update, and then we go from there. But like I was saying, I'm gonna put the cheeseburger pizza on the chicken pizza, and we're gonna go from there. Damn, that really charged. Yo, that any of y'all got the cheeseburger pizza on the chicken pizza, and we're gonna go from there. Damn, that really charged. Yo, that any of y'all got the new lost connection. All right, we back now. Ugh. That was like TikTok warning me that I'm logging. Somebody's trying to log into my thing, but it's apparently me over here trying to log into it. So I have to update it. Hold on, where is it? I gotta update it on this phone so then I can talk to y'all. But okay, back to it. So now we're gonna take this one and this one. I'll combine them. Put them together. So put them together, right? Now we have a cheeseburger chicken taco pizza. Hold up, one more time for the neighbors. Let's go. This is good. I'm gonna be stuffed. Like this is probably gonna put me in a. I should really get napkins. Now I'm gonna be that guy at the restaurant. I was wiping it on the shirt. I want to be him tonight. But this is probably gonna put me in a food coma. Food comas, eat a lot of food and just like pass out and go to sleep. What are you guys' favorite kind of like food to eat? Because as you know, I love pizza. What's your favorite? Once I'm done destroying this pizza, if y'all want to join my live, just request. I'll let anybody in. Got about like 30 seconds left when it's loading on TikTok on this phone. Why people don't like Domino's pizza? It's like so good. Like, it's good. Yeah, I should just finish one of these. Alright, we're locked and loaded, guys. Hold on. We're locked and loaded. Make sure y'all share this live, too. Let's get some people in here. Oh, we loaded, guys. Hold up. Oh, I think we are. I gotta enter my birthday now. And this one, send a code to that phone. Hopefully it don't log out, but I don't think it will. Alright, it's about to send a code. Hold on. Let me see if this code comes. Did it send a code? My email. Let me get my laptop. I'll be right back. TikTok has so much security. I mean, I appreciate it, but sheesh, y'all can see I'm the one on my freaking TikTok right now, as y'all can see. Or maybe they can't show. Alright, there go the TikTok code that they just sent. Resend code. I got 60 seconds. Let me refresh this page. By the way, this pizza's like dumb hot. It's not cold. Excuse me. Alright, there go the new code they just sent. Alright, let's type these numbers in. Come on. No, now ads are popping up. Hold up. Alright. Alright, so we should be good now. Oh shit! This must be the old. This must be my old TikTok. Hold on. This must be the other Pretty Boy Sloth page. Cause it won't let me log on to it. Oh man. I don't got time for this. Appeal deadline expired. This still got my old account logged on. It's so weird. I don't get it. Alright. So now we're gonna try to log on to my other one. Hold on. Oh my god, Joe. Sorry for that. I thought when your phone is on Do Not Disturb, people can't call you, but I guess they can. But anyway. Alright, so we back. Hopefully these videos save, cause like I'm already like halfway done. I guess I could just bring the pizzas, the videos, and combine them for my YouTube mukbang. Or I just do it. I thought about doing it just for y'all for this mukbang. And then my next mukbang will be on my YouTube channel. But right now TikTok isn't loaded on this phone. I don't know what the freak's going on, but I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I'm actually full, but I'm gonna try to eat one more slice of each of one of these. I have to, it's on the back. I didn't even get to see your comments on the video, so I had to end it. Wait, what? Like, yo. Yeah, I couldn't see nothing because I wasn't on my TikTok. Hold up, damn, I keep getting on live, but I need my other content. I need to get another phone that's actually like on. Like, these are just like my social media phones. Yo, but anyway, so we're almost at 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's lit. My videos are about to be monetized, I think. So that's popping. We about to hit 10K here, 10K on here again, so that's even more dope. But yeah, y'all are dope, yo. The Sloth Gang is dope. Yo, so I'm actually gonna eat one more of these and then one more of these because I'm actually getting full. I don't know how these people be finishing these, man. I can't do it, man. I can't freaking. Ew, I just spit on myself. It's fucking disgusting. But I can't freaking do it, man. I work out too much to eat like this every freaking day, man. I can't do it. But it tastes so good. It tastes so good. I couldn't see none in the comments, by the way, so y'all was like hitting me up. I can't see nothing. Hold on. I can't see if people are like joining or nothing. Like nothing pops up in my corner, so. Hold on. I can't see. Okay. No, I can see. What the freak?